Hi everyone, so here's a quick tutorial on how to bookmark and save the Mac Media YouTube page to your computer for your daily announcements. So if you go all the way to the edge of your screen when you're on the internet, you should see these three little dots. Go ahead and drag that down and you should see an option that says bookmarks. Hover over that tab and then you should see an option that says bookmark all tabs, bookmark this tab. You want to bookmark this tab, or you can hit Control D for a shortcut. Click on that top part and it'll say edit bookmark. You can name it whatever you like. I have mine named as daily announcements, so I know exactly what link I'm looking for. And you can save it to your bookmarks bar, so when you go into your bookmarks it's there, or if you have other folders created you can save it there as well. I'm going to then hit done. Okay, so say I'm in class, checking my email. Alright, it's time for announcements. You would go to bookmarks, all the way down, daily announcements, here it is. And when the video is live, the corresponding video will pop up and you click on the video with the date of your announcements. Please let me know if you have any questions.